Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 10220 Tappan. We keep having this back up. City Bellefontaine has me out here. I'm inspecting this line from the basement stack here. I've walked around out there. I didn't see it clean out. There's no tall grass. I'm going to go ahead and put our camera down here down the stack and inspect this line. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushing out towards the main out here. We're out here in the front yard, 51 feet. I was able to get a 2-inch cutter through here. I ran some cable. I was able to get a 2-inch through there, but these roots are really heavy. We're just cutting a small hole in them. It's not letting my camera pass this spot here. I've tried to push past it several times. It won't let me pass. I've located and marked this in the front yard. It's 8 feet 6 inches deep. Probably going to recommend a repair here, and then a line augured out going towards the house and going out towards the main, the remainder of the line. Inspected going out to the main to make sure there's no other breaks or anything like that. So we'll keep pulling back and show you what it looks like. You can see a bunch of heavy roots here. Like I said, got a 2-inch through it, but it just won't get a hold of all these roots. It needs a clean out outside in the front yard there, and riser pipe installed. That way you can run a big cutter to cut these roots back. There's multiple spots with heavy roots. There's more roots by the transition. We'll show you that here in a minute. But like I said, I can't go any further pushing out towards the main. Like I said, I've located that spot. It's 8 feet 6 inches deep. I'm going to go ahead and make a couple more locates out there so they know the direction of the line and mark where these roots are, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located where these roots are out in the yard. It's 8 feet 7 inches deep, 6 inches deep. We'll keep pulling back, get some more marks on this line so they know where it's running. And like I said, I recommend it to be repaired. And then it's augured out both ways. Make sure they run a big cutter towards the house and clean up the transition real good. See, every other joint's got a bunch of roots growing in it. So, probably 10-foot repair and a clean out installed. Real heavy roots here. Actually, kind of hard to get my camera back. Alright, so this is the transition here. This is where it comes a 4-inch cast. 6-inch plate pipe out here. Definitely full of roots. We'll go ahead and locate and mark this. We'll be right back. Alright, so yep, I went ahead and located this transition here for the front of the house here. It says 8 feet 9 inches deep. Here we are in the cast iron, the 4-inch cast iron. Got a little dive there. It's diving and turning down, and turn back over again. But cast iron looks to be pretty intact. Like I said, I'm gonna recommend at least a 10-foot repair out there, because that section line is just riddled with roots, a bunch of roots in there. Like I said, we ran a cutter through there, but we just can't get them all out, and my camera won't pass that spot with roots. I tried, but didn't want to go through. So I'm gonna recommend a clean out installed out there, the line repaired, and then the remainder of the line cabled and inspected as needed. Here we are at the basement, so alrighty, thank you.